Hi, this is Mike Hussey, the CIO for the great state of Utah, and welcome to the CIO Cooking Show. Utah is known for its great vistas, its red rock, its green jello, and Annalise Hussey.
Hi!
In Utah, we have a great tradition of college football. One of my favorite things to do with college football is tailgating. No, that's not driving too close on I-15. It's really getting together with family and friends and enjoying some great food. And one of our secret recipes here in Utah is the PAC-12 mac. This isn't your typical mac and cheese like you might find in Georgia. Yes, it has noodles, cheese, and milk. It has other things like fresh Roma tomatoes, onions, hardwood smoked bacon, and yes, a secret ingredient, habanero cheese.
That's got some heat.
Yeah, it does. But that's what makes it great. Now that we've got our ingredients, let's get cooking.
First step to making perfect noodles is to add in your salt to some boiling water and then adding your macaroni right in.
Okay, well, let's get to the slicing and dicing. You know what many of you experienced in your budgets this year, but today we're talking about tomatoes and onions. The recipe calls for half a cup of chopped yellow onion.
And 3 Roma tomatoes. Now drop in 4 tablespoons of butter to a heated pan.
Here's a half a cup of onions, Annalise.
Thank you. And then add that to your pan also to start to saute.
4 tablespoons of flour.
Thank you. Now whisk this in to your onions and butter until smooth.
Then you add 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce.
God, it's Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. So 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce.
Now add in 2 teaspoons of salt.
Okay. Then you add 4 1/4 cups of milk.
Whole milk, Dad. Makes it creamier.
Oh, that's right. Now it's time for the cheese. Regular and spicy. Hey, what's 5Q plus 5Q?
10Q.
You're welcome.
That was extra cheesy.
You'll also want a dash of fine ground pepper, a dash of paprika, and a dash of Johnny's seasoning salt. Then you take your 16 ounces of cooked noodles and add it to the sauce.
Now make sure your noodles are all covered with your cheese and it's creamy.
That's looking really good, Annalise. It's making me hungry. We might have to go to get something to eat.
Great side dish with mac and cheese is grilled cheese, cheese quesadillas, mozzarella sticks, and cheesecake.
Okay, we're getting ready to put the crust on, and that includes our bacon, our Roma tomatoes, and our breadcrumbs, and of course a little bit of butter to tie it all in together. And the nice thing about all this is it's roughly only about 4,000 calories per serving. You can handle that.
Yeah.
Okay, easy.
So let's put our butter in here.
Butter in the breadcrumbs.
Yes.
Looks good.
And then
Stir it together.
put that over. Now add your Roma tomatoes.
Looking amazing.
And then lastly,
The secret, what? Hey, what's the integral of 1 over cabin to cabin?
natural log cabin.
natural log cabin where you eat bacon. Okay, it's all ready.
All right, now cook this in a preheated oven at 350, 20 minutes covered, and then 15 minutes uncovered.
Well, thanks for joining us today in the CIO Cooking Show here in the great state of Utah. We've had a great time together. And the next time you're out in Utah, maybe the Georgia Bulldogs playing in the Runnin' Utes, come find me. We'll have some Pac-12 mac together.
And some cheesecake.
And cheesecake. Enjoy the rest of the show and enjoy your day.